15 of the most beautiful countries in Europe. There are many beautiful places in Europe to visit, but some are definitely more spectacular than others. Here's 15 of the most beautiful places in Europe. Number 1. Norway. One of the most beautiful places in Europe is Norway. With its stunning landscapes, towering mountains, and pristine lakes, it's easy to see why. The country is also home to some of the best hikes in Europe, making it a perfect destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2. Italy. Another top pick for beauty is Italy. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the dramatic coastline of Amalfi, there is no shortage of picturesque places to explore. And, of course, let's not forget about Rome. The ancient city is full of historical landmarks and architectural wonders that will take your breath away. Number 3. Slovenia. If you're looking for a place that's a little off the beaten path, consider Slovenia. This small country is often overshadowed by its larger neighbors, but it's definitely worth a visit. From the Julian Alps to Lake Bled, there are plenty of beautiful places to discover. Number 4. France. No list of the most beautiful places in Europe would be complete without mentioning France. From the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum in Paris to the lavender fields of Provence, there is no shortage of things to see and do. Number 5. Switzerland. Switzerland should definitely be on your list. With its stunning alpine scenery and quaint villages, it's easy to see why this country is a popular tourist destination. And, if you're looking for an adrenaline-pumping activity, you can always try your hand at skiing or snowboarding. Number 6. Spain. If you're looking for a place to enjoy some beach time, Spain is the perfect destination. With its sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and Mediterranean atmosphere, it's no wonder that so many people flock to the country each year. Number 7. Portugal. Portugal is another great option for a beach vacation. With its miles of coastline and temperate climate, it's a perfect place to relax and soak up the sun. Number 8. Greece. Greece is another top pick for a European vacation. From the Acropolis in Athens to the stunning beaches of Mykonos, there are plenty of reasons to visit this historic country. Number 9. Iceland. Iceland is a unique country as home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes in the world. From towering waterfalls to snow-capped mountains, Iceland is a nature lover's paradise. Here are 15 of the most beautiful places in Iceland that you need to see to believe. Number 10. Austria. When it comes to natural beauty, few places in Europe can rival Austria. From the snowy peaks of the Alps to the verdant forests and rushing rivers, Austria is a feast for the eyes. Number 11. Croatia. Croatia is one of the most beautiful places in Europe. The country is known for its stunning scenery, clear waters, and friendly people. Croatia is a great place to visit if you're looking for a relaxing vacation. Number 12. Montenegro. Montenegro is one of the smallest countries in Europe, but it packs a big punch when it comes to natural beauty. The country has an incredible coastline, with towering mountains and crystal clear waters. Montenegro is also home to some of the best preserved medieval towns in Europe, like Kotor and Budva. Number 13. Germany. Germany is a beautiful country with many interesting places to visit. Germany has the Black Forest. This forest is located in the southwestern part of the country and is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Germany. It is also home to many animals, including the endangered Black Forest brown bear. The forest is also home to many different kinds of trees, including the rare cork tree. Germany also has the Rhine River. This river is located in the western part of the country and is one of the most important rivers in Europe. Number 14. Belgium. Belgium is one of the most fascinating countries in Europe. With its rich history and culture, there is much to explore in this small country. From the beautiful architecture of Brussels to the stunning countryside, Belgium has something for everyone. Number 15. Slovenia. Slovenia is a country in Central Europe. It shares borders with Italy to the west, Austria to the north, Hungary to the northeast, and Croatia to the southeast. The landscapes of Slovenia is very diverse, with forests, mountains, and valleys. The Julian Alps are in the northwest of the country, and they have some of the highest peaks in Europe. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.